Hello, this is Galen Martling. Today I have 4 holiday cards. They are pocket style tag cards, and I'm showing these made with foil with a laminator and also with beautiful ink blending and stamping with the sentiments by Unity. So for the stamping, I have holiday, faith, hope, love, October 2021 sentiment kit, and I'm using 4 designs for deco foil toner card fronts. They are holiday lights, paisley dreams, tranquil leaves, wild gardens, and these are pre-toner card fronts that are ready to go for foiling. For the deco foil sheets, I have 4 colors of those. They are emerald watercolor, deep blue azul, red rouge, and gold shattered glass. And so I just sandwich between parchment paper the toner card front one at a time with foil on top of that, pretty side up. Then you run that through a preheated laminator, very hot laminator, and you use a carrier sheet to protect the foil and to make it smoother for you. So I go ahead and all at once, one right after the other, I'm going to go ahead and just do all the foiling. And then once the foiling is finished, I go ahead and peel away the foil from each of those pretty backgrounds, and you see they sparkle and shine so beautifully just the way they are. No added coloring is necessary. You can use these extra sheets to make another foil later using the negative of that foil. You can use that with a regular toner sheet. That's another process, and I sometimes do that. Now, the option is to add some extra color to these panels after the foiling is done. So I added some distress ink and distress oxide ink and complementary colors. So I added a little bit of green in the background and wiped off any excess distress ink. And you could see that it still remains shiny after you do that, and it's just an added accent. These are going to be tag cards, so the tag is going to be the main focus, and this is going to be background for each of these holiday cards. The good thing about these cards is it's going to be a gift and a greeting for the holidays, so they get to pull out this tag and use it as a gift tag or, an added greeting to their cards if they want to use it. It's just an extra gift that you're giving that's removable at the end. So I'll go ahead and do this for all four of the panels, green, blue, red, and now I'm adding yellow for the gold foiling. And it's so pretty. It just shimmers and shines so much nicer in person. And so these are A2 size toner card fronts, so I didn't do any extra trimming of those. They fit perfectly onto the card base. Now I'm adding little pockets towards the bottom of the card. I use score tape on the back to adhere them to the back. I use paper tray ink, vellum cardstock, and I just go ahead and use a flat double-sided tape for the front, score tape to the back, and adhere all 4 of those towards the bottom. Now I'm going to turn my card base upside down and adhere and line up and adhere all of these toner card front panels ready to go there. So I do that all at the same time for 4 of the cards. Now I made 4 extra accent strips for the bottom in white. They are pre-die cut. I used my Creative Time dies for this project. And just go ahead and adhere those down. It covers up that adhesive strip there that you see that's sometimes you could see through the vellum. So it's covered up by that white line there. Here are the beautiful sentiments in the sentiment kit. I decided to make gift tags for each of the sentiments. And I trimmed it in gold using the die cuts, but you can use a paper trimmer and just trim rectangles for the tags just the same. It fits perfectly in those pockets, ready to go in your card making and in your greeting cards for the holidays. I hope you like this and give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Have a great day.